The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for Los Angeles, California. Mysterious large creatures were reported flying around Los Angeles. It is unknown if these creatures are dangerous. However, this can become an extremely dangerous situation. Stay tuned for further updates and information.
This is KNBC for Los Angeles. I'm Jessie O'Shea and we got breaking news right now about some large creatures flying around LA. This is probably the strangest news we got in LA, but I digress. Anyways, we have my news correspondent Eric live in downtown LA. How are things going?
Good. It's currently busy in LA. It is cloudy though. And I had to agree with you, Jessie. It has been confirmed by multiple sources that mysterious large creatures are flying around over downtown LA. It's unknown what these creatures are at this time. However, the Los Angeles Police Department are asking all the citizens to remain indoors with windows and doors locked. We'll update you as the story develops.
Thank you, Eric. This is KNBC for Los Angeles. For more news and weather, stay tuned for updates.
Civil danger across the city of Los Angeles. The mysterious large creatures are now attacking and killing people inside with fireballs. The creatures have been classified by Los Angeles Police Department as a threat to all citizens. All citizens are being urged to stay indoors with their doors and windows locked. The creatures cannot be more identified by the following characteristics: scaly bodies, wings on their backs, horns on their heads, spikes going down their spine, large tails, 4 legs with claws, and are about 50 feet long. It's also known that these creatures also breathe fire from their mouths. If you see any of these creatures, do not approach them or try to attack them. It's very dangerous and is recommended that you remain indoors with windows and doors locked to prevent any of these creatures from attacking you. Stay tuned for further updates and information.
This is KCBS2. I'm Billy Noyes, and we're back with more news. We've just received an update from the mysterious large creatures flying around Los Angeles. They are now attacking and killing people with fireballs. A list of characteristics has been made to identify them and are as follows: scaly bodies, wings on their backs, horns on their heads, spikes going down their spine, large tails. For legs with claws and are about 50 feet long. The creatures can now also breathe fire from their mouths. This makes me think of dragons when I see these characteristics, but no dragons have been confirmed yet. We have my news correspondent, Joey. Are you there?
It is absolute chaos here in Los Angeles right now. There's a lot of people running around with fear in their eyes. Some people are being attacked and killed by these creatures. The hashtag dragons are real is now trending on social media, even though no dragons have been confirmed yet. This is honestly the scariest situation that I've ever covered in my 10 years of being a news correspondent. Residents of Los Angeles, wherever you are, seek shelter now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Oh my god, I see one of these creatures. I have to get out of here now.
civil danger for the entire state of California. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The large creatures that have been attacking and killing people with fireballs in Los Angeles have now been spotted in the entirety of California, such as the city of San Francisco, the city of San Diego, the city of San Jose, the city of Santa Monica, the city of Irvine, the city of Long Beach, the city of Fresno, the city of Sacramento, the city of Santa Rosa, the city of Oakland, the city of Chula Vista, the city of Santa Clarita, the city of Oxnard, the city of Rancho Cucamonga, the city of Oceanside, the city of Anaheim, the city of Ontario, the city of Bakersfield, the city of Riverside, the city of San Bernardino, the city of Stockton, the city of Hayward, the city of Sunnyvale, the city of Santa Barbara, the city of Santa Ana, the city of Elk Grove, the city of Salinas, the city of Modesto, the city of El Cajon, the city of Fullerton, the city of Lancaster, the city of Thousand Oaks, the city of Pasadena, the city of Victorville, the city of Santa Cruz, the city of Vacaville, the city of Tracy, the city of Newport Beach, the city of Roseville, the city of Vallejo, the city of Camarillo, the city of Richmond, the city of Palmdale, the city of Huntington Beach, the city of Rialto, the city of Hesperia, the city of Pleasanton, the city of Garden Grove, the city of Fairfield, the city of Upland, the city of Rancho Cordova, the city of Chino, the city of Citrus Heights, the city of Rosemead, the city of Merida, the city of Porterville, the city of Paris, the city of Clovis, the city of El Segundo, the city of Glendale, the city of Reading, the city of Burbank, the city of Davis, the city of Lodi, and the city of Eureka. They have now been confirmed to be dragons. The dragons have been classified as a threat to all citizens. All citizens are being urged to stay indoors with their doors and windows locked. The following is a list of characteristics for the dragons: scaly bodies, wings on their backs, horns on their heads, spikes going down their spine, large tails, 4 legs with claws and are about 50 feet long. It's also known that they also breathe fire from their mouths. If you see any dragons, do not approach them or try to attack them. It's very dangerous and is recommended that you remain indoors with windows and doors locked to prevent any dragons from attacking you. Stay tuned for further updates and information.
The following message is transmitted at the request from the Chicago Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. All residents of the Chicago metropolitan area, please lock all windows and doors immediately. Reports indicate that dragons have been sighted in Chicago and surrounding cities. If you happen to spot any dragons, do not attempt to approach or engage them, as it poses a severe threat to your safety. Instead, we recommend that you stay indoors with all windows and doors securely locked until further notice. We will provide additional updates and information as they become available.
Event type is civil danger for the entire country of Canada. This message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. The dragons have been spotted in the cities of Toronto, Ottawa, Calgary, Victoria, Vancouver, Edmonton, Whitehorse, Yellowknife, Iqaluit, Montreal, Halifax, St. John's, Charlottetown, Winnipeg, Regina, Hamilton, Quebec City, and Saskatoon. In the event of observing any dragons, it's imperative to avoid approaching or attacking them, as it could lead to severe harm. Instead, it's advisable to remain indoors, ensuring all windows and doors are locked to prevent any potential attacks. Further updates and information will be provided as necessary.
Le type d'événement est un danger civil pour l'ensemble du pays du Canada. Ce message est transmis à la demande du gouvernement canadien. Les dragons ont été repérés dans les villes de Toronto, Ottawa, Calgary, Victoria, Vancouver, Edmonton, Whitehorse, Yellowknife, Calgary, Montréal, Halifax, St. John's, Charlottetown, Winnipeg, Regina, Hamilton, Québec et Saskatoon. En cas d'observation de dragons, il est impératif d'éviter de les approcher ou de les attaquer, car cela pourrait entraîner de graves dommages. Au lieu de cela, il est conseillé de rester à l'intérieur, en veillant à ce que toutes les fenêtres et portes soient verrouillées pour éviter toute attaque potentielle. D'autres mises à jour et informations seront fournies au besoin.
The following message is transmitted at the request from the United States government. This is not a test. Reports indicate that dragons have been sighted in several major cities across the United States, including Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Boston, New York, Baltimore, Atlanta, Miami, Tampa, Washington, D.C., Dallas, Houston, Austin, Denver, Salt Lake City, Phoenix, Albuquerque, Las Vegas, Seattle, Little Rock, St. Louis, Fairbanks, Anchorage, Spokane, Boise, Louisville, Portland, Indianapolis, Detroit, Minneapolis, Madison, Omaha, Milwaukee, Providence, Buffalo, Tucson, Colorado Springs, Cheyenne, Santa Fe, Honolulu, Reno, and Tulsa, resulting in significant damage and posing a severe threat to public safety. If you encounter a dragon, do not attempt to approach or engage with it, as it can potentially be life-threatening. It is recommended that you remain indoors, with all doors and windows securely locked until further notice. Stay tuned to local television stations for future updates on this.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this word. as this pertains to a global crisis that is ongoing. The dragons have been confirmed by the U.S. government to have been spotted around the world, causing mass chaos, mass destruction, and causing even more death tolls to rise. The dragons have been spotted in all of the countries around the world, such as Europe, Africa, Australia, South America, and Antarctica. In addition to this dangerous situation, many nuclear power plants exploded, which caused loads of fallout spread. Our residents, no matter where you live, are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions prolonged. Exposure to fallout will result in radiation, sickness, and death. If not treated properly, it will only take a minute for the effects of fallout to spread, and can spread for hundreds of miles beyond the impact site. Remember the three phases of a nuclear explosion: intense light, intense heat, and a blast shock wave. There is not much time to get into your shelters, as the intensity of the explosion will grow in seconds. So, grab any supplies in your home, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, important documents, and radio operated by batteries or hand cranked to last you and your family for at least 14 days. Do not exit your shelter for any reason. If you do, you will be exposing yourself to deadly radioactive fallout. Before you seek shelter, make sure to close all windows and doors, shut off all gas, turn off all heating and air conditioning systems, close all fireplace, dampers and fence, and seal all cracks in doors and windows with a wet blanket, tape or damp towels. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, either the National Guard will lead you to one or shelter in an interior room in the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, doors, outside walls, or any entrances to the outside world. If you are outside or in a vehicle, find the nearest open space or ditch and cover your head with your hands to protect yourself from flying debris. Do not leave your shelter until the 14-day time period is expired or once told by local authorities. If you do not seek a fallout shelter, you will absolutely face certain death to radioactive fallout. Do not wait. This is an unprecedented mass casualty situation. We will now conclude the activation of the National Emergency Alert System. May God be with you all.
This is an emergency action termination. This is an all clear. I repeat, this is an all clear. The nuclear fallout from the exploded nuclear power plants have expired and is no longer a threat to the citizens around the world. The 14-day time period of nuclear fallout has now expired and can be considered safe for all citizens. In addition, the dragons have also been killed off due to the radioactive fallout. All residents are now free to exit their shelters at this time. However, due to so many nuclear power plants exploding, they have caused a lot of damage to almost the entire world. The dragons also caused a lot of damage as well. However, the dragons have been killed and there is no more threat to the world. The National Guard is unavailable to rescue people from destroyed shelters. If you have an emergency or your shelter has been damaged in any way, call 911 and the National Guard, if possible, will take you to the nearest military base. All broadcasts and cable systems are now allowed to resume regular programming. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. Regular programming will now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this crisis.